Hi guys, my name is Amit Bhutani for those who don't know me, and I'm very much active on social media. Um, for those who don't know me, I just want to say something about myself. I'm a very free-spirited individual, and I love to take life. It might sound a bit of a cliche, but I love to take life and enjoy it to the fullest. I like to go trekking. I love the outdoors. I love to learn new things in life. When I was 30, I always wanted to learn how to play the guitar. So I did that. And then at the age of 40, I decided, I want to learn how to play the tabla. So I went ahead and did that. I love to travel, and I strongly believe that you rather spend money on creating memories and experiences rather than on material acquisition. I strongly believe in that. Um, I'm an avid fitness enthusiast, and I've learned a lot along the way. On this journey called life. I'm a certified energy healing practitioner. I'm a certified EFT, TFT tapping practitioner, again related to energy. I've also done a course on life coach because I feel there is where my kind of, you know, my passion lies over there. So I pursued it. Um, as I said, I've learned a lot along the way, be it in terms of nutrition, exercising, anything related to, a holistic way of living. And I keep on sharing this gyan, aka knowledge, with my, office colleagues, friends, or whether it's relatives. And I always keep on suggesting and kind of, helping them out. And they're like, look, you got so much of knowledge on what you have learned and what you've experienced. Why don't you share with other guys and all the people out there? And I'm like, yeah, I mean, why not? I kind of always held back and hesitated to do that, but I think there is somewhere inside of me this, confidence coming up that it's helped me a lot. So why not share it with everyone who's out there? Um so what I'll be doing is I'm going to do very short series of clips touching up on various topics. I'm going to call these series Back to Basics. So this is Back to Basics episode one. I don't know how many series there will be. I'm going to go along as I feel what topics need to be covered and how many videos I need to make. I'm not going to think about all that. I'm going to improvise as we move along. Um, to start off with on this topic, and to set the tone for the following video series to come, the main question that haunts probably everyone is, how do I get optimal health? And you need optimal health. I mean, you need health to enjoy the riches that you have, to enjoy and to achieve your financial goals, to have health to play with your kids who are growing up, or matter of fact, to have perfect health to play with your grandkids, have health to travel, have health to take on the challenges in life, to have optimal health to maintain your equilibrium and calmness in terms of turmoil and low phases of your life. So everyone strives for that optimal health, and in my view, I kind of broken it down into four, five, subcategories which I feel are really important. So I think the topics that I'm going to touch upon is a the energies. Now I strongly believe in the energies around the body. You might call it the aura, or the universal energy, or the prana, or the chi. So I feel anything that manifests in the physical aspect first happens at a quantum or an energy level. So if you have your energy level not balanced, or if you have these energy level that are flowing through your body blocked, or not in harmony, are not in sync, then at some point or the other, this kind of disruption at the energy level will cause some sort of what we call as this ease in your physical experience. So I think I will discuss a lot more on the energy level and balancing in my video series. The second thing is about back to basics, is about breathing. Uh, we have, I think, forgotten how to, breathe correctly. I mean, we almost all of us have got the shallow breathing. We almost always in a fight or flight response because of work pressure, because of deadlines, because of any external circumstances like, household chores or multiple things, that kind of life throws at us, and kind of uh, throws us out of our equilibrium. And breathing is one of your life partners, which is there from the time you're born till the time that you die. So I think it's really important to have uh, your the way how do you breathe, the correct way of breathing, and what there are such amazing breathing exercise that you can do to kind of improve the energy levels in your body, and uh, to get you more active and make you feel more energetic. So I think breath and our breathing plays a very very vital role in our health. Of course, third is commonly for your physical body, your vessel. So basically, we'll discuss the nutrition, the exercises that we can do, anything regarding to physical health, and the most important part as well is your mental and emotional well-being. We've all heard about mind over matter, and it does play a strong role in your health. I don't know how the series will go, which topics I would cover, but I would like to cover all these topics. I do not call myself an expert, and this is no disrespect meant to anyone who's in the respective field of nutrition or mental health or physical health. I mean, I'm not here to disregard anyone's advice or anyone's notion. I'm just here to kind of speak to you guys on the journey that I've gone through, what I have learned, and how it has helped me tremendously. And you have the choice either to follow this, not follow it, and if you think there is some sense, or if there is something that resonates with you at an inner level, then please do share it with your family and friends. So yeah, this is the first part of my Back to Basics series, and the next one will soon follow. See you. Bye.